My name is Braulio Acosta Rodriguez. I am married with Maria Fonseca Larrota. I am from Paipa, Boyacá. I am 38 years old. I am employed with company Acerías Paz del Río. I am studying industrial engineer at UNAD. I live in Paipa, Boyacá. In my free time, I like to play with my sons. I like to go visit my parents. What are the main tourist places in this Paipa? The main tourist places in Paipa are Vargas Swamp, Paipa Thermal Complex, Paipa Tourist Institute, Paipa Cathedral, etc. What is the typical food in your city? The typical food in my city is with corn or barley, puchuco, with beef spin, fish stew, amute. What are the main celebrations in your city? The main celebrations in Paipa are National Band Festival, Juana Festival, the show on the door. What activities can you do in your city? In my city, I can skiing in the Xochagota Lake, visit the thermal pools of Paipa. Thank you.